How to change Shopify contact form email address. Go to Shopify's website and log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings option. It's usually at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it. In the Settings menu, you'll see different options. Look for something related to your profile or contact details. It might be labeled as Profile or Contact Information. Click on the pencil icon. Once you're in the Profile or Contact Information section, find the field where your email address is listed. Move your mouse cursor to the email field and click on it. This will allow you to edit the email address. Now, type in the new email address that you want to use for your contact form. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid any issues. After you've entered the new email address, look for a Save button or something similar. Click on it to save your changes. It's always a good idea to double-check everything. Make sure the new email address is spelled correctly and that there are no typos. Finally, test your contact form to make sure that inquiries are now being sent to the new email address. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.